Okay, so I picked these up from a recent trip to Walmart, and they're Nissan Hot and Spicy Firewalk, molten chili chicken flavor. Fire sauce. All right, let's give it a try. Noodles look pretty good. It's pretty good. Got a good flavor to it. Hot and spicy firewalk, molten chicken flavor. Lives up to its name. I gotta say, a lot of times they say super spicy on them, and they're not. This is spicy. This is a 4.5 out of 5. It's it's pretty good if you're looking for moderately hot ramen. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. I know there's a lot hotter out there, and I'll get to them coming up soon. And have a great day.